I'm Dave D'Amico and I'm the owner of the Abeetz pizza truck. Abeetz came from my grandparents. They were immigrants from Italy and they spoke broken English when they came. That's kind of how they pronounced pizza, Abeetz. I actually traveled all over Brooklyn and Staten Island, Connecticut. I've been all over trying the best pizzas. Our slogan is "You gotta eat." That came from my grandmother. Whenever you would go over to her house, like she would literally be heartbroken if you didn't eat something. I like to eat. You gotta eat. The reason why I decided a food truck instead of a restaurant, I mean, it's the food trucks are becoming pretty trendy now, and it's fun. I don't have to set up at one spot. I could go to cool different events, festivals. I could pull up in your backyard, I could do weddings, I could do parties, so that's kind of why I wanted to do the food truck. The wood-burning brick oven allows you to get a much higher temperature on the pizza, so the gas kind of lets me keep the pizza consistent. It keeps it at a temperature, and then the wood gives it a nice flavor. It's a nice addition.